increased heart rate after your GLP-1 injection, what's going on there? So you can see a transient, temporary increase in your heart rate after GLP-1 injection. It's a stimulation of the sympathetic nervous system. Basically, GLP-1 mimics having a large meal. GLP-1 is released by the intestine after consuming a large meal. So when you take a GLP-1 injection, it tricks your brain into the idea that you've just had a large meal. And what is one of the physiologic effects on your heart and on your heart rate of consuming food? Your heart rate increases because it has to now pump blood to all of the little vessels in your intestines and your GI tract so that you can begin to break down that food and digest and absorb that food. Now, if you experience a rapid heart rate that is prolonged days after your injection, or constantly a elevated heart rate over 100 beats per minute on GLP-1, it may be worthwhile getting checked out by a cardiologist. Perhaps you have to wear a Holter monitor to check your heart rate over long periods of time to see if something else is going on. Could you be having an arrhythmia? Possibly. Could you be having a reaction to that GLP-1 medication that you have to get off the medication in order to not have a rapid heart rate? That is possible as well. So short-term heart rate elevation after injection, I would say, is not that unusual and not necessarily something to worry about. Rapid heart rate for days at a time or all the time when on a GLP-1, I would get that checked out by a cardiologist.